This isn't so much a recording of what's going on in the campsite as it is a recording of what I have to put up with. Listen to this. Watch and listen. Yes, that seems quite pleasant, doesn't it, so far? Yes, I have to admit it does. Let's move along, shall we? Over here. It's dark, not much to see. Let's start listening. Listen. Can you hear that? Is it a grizzly bear? In heat, maybe? Wow. Yes, children, what you just heard was in fact the snavely, snoring away like a big baby. Let's return to something a little more pleasant. The fireside. The music of one Leonard Cohen.